hey, just a second, before we talk about products, I wanted to take a minute to tell you how it is I've gotten to this point of being so comfortable sharing with people, because it hasn't always been this way. About 3 years ago, I was struggling as a homeschool mom of five with just really feeling like even though my life's mission was important and it was fulfilling, I didn't have confidence in any aspect of my life to feel capable of doing the things that I knew God was calling me to do. And it manifested itself in anxiety and worrisome thoughts and really just in hiding out from God or any kind of opportunity that He would be calling me to. I hid out from things. And so in October 2015, I knew unequivocally that He was calling me to be in a classroom environment with high school freshmen, and that made me feel very overwhelmed and frustrated and discouraged because I didn't feel like I had the tools that I had been praying for to be able to manage this new thing He wanted me to do. And so the amazing thing was that by saying yes to the path that He was putting me on, it helped me actually address some of the physical needs that I had been praying about: more energy and being able to be in control of my cravings so that I would not be cranky and tired all the time with my own kids, let alone in a classroom with other people's kids. But the beautiful thing is that yes was also the gateway to me restoring a lot of gut health, which then helped. There's a natural connection between gut health and a lack of mood stability. And so my confidence has gone through the roof. And the beautiful thing is that now my mission is, in addition to homeschooling my kids and answering the call that He has for them, my mission is to help other people recover gut health and find their authentic confidence that comes from just being healthy and happy.